In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect cells in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a shared document or just want to ensure that certain information remains unchanged, protecting cells can be a lifesaver. So let's walk through this process step by step to ensure your data remains safe and sound. First things first, go ahead and open your Google Sheets document and identify the cell or range of cells that you wish to protect. Once you've pinpointed those specific cells, you need to select them. This can be as easy as clicking and dragging over the desired range, or if it's just a single cell, a simple click will do the trick. Now that you have your cells selected, it's time to bring up the option to protect them. Simply right-click on the selected cells. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Protect Range. Sometimes you might not see it right away. In such cases, don't panic. Just click on View More Cell Options and you'll be able to find what you're looking for. After selecting Protect Range, you'll notice a panel appearing on the right side of your screen. Here you have the opportunity to add a description for your protected range. This step is especially helpful if you're managing multiple protected ranges and want to ensure clarity. Just jot down a few words that describe what you're protecting or why, and then move right along to the next step. Once you've added a description, click on the Set Permissions button, which is your gateway to the actual protection settings. In the Permissions dialog, you'll have a couple of options on how to proceed. You can either opt to show a warning if someone tries to edit the range, or you can restrict editing completely, allowing only specific people to make changes. If you choose to restrict editing, you'll need to specify who gets to access these cells. Here you have the freedom to add specific email addresses, or if it's sensitive data you want to keep under wraps, you might decide to keep it restricted to yourself alone. This layer of personalization ensures only trusted individuals can make the necessary edits. Finally, after you've configured your desired settings and specified the right people, go ahead and click Done. And that's it. You've successfully protected your cells or range of cells. Now, whenever someone tries to alter these protected ranges, they'll either see a warning or they'll find that it's locked out, depending on your choice. Remember, keeping your data safe is crucial, especially in collaborative environments where multiple users have access. By setting up these protections, you're not only safeguarding your work, but also ensuring the integrity and accuracy of your information over time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.